Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking lamb stew. So I've got about 500 grams of lamb that I've got here, and I'm going to season with salt. It's a teaspoon of salt and paprika, about a tablespoon of paprika. And then I'm going to add black pepper and just add a little bit of oil to marinate my meat. Just a little bit of oil. And then I'm mixing this. I'm going to marinate for about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. In a large pot, I'm going to add some oil and just make sure the oil is nice and hot. And now I'm going to add my meat. I'm just going to brown the meat. I'll brown this meat. I'm adding one onion. Cook for 1 minute or so. Garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Hi guys, now I'm adding turmeric, cumin, coriander, clove powder, and fennel powder. You can add as many spices as you want, but this is what I'm adding right now. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, clove powder, and fennel powder. I'm going to cook these spices for a good 2 minutes or so. I'm going to add capsicum. This is capsicum. Tomato puree, about 5 tablespoons. Adding 3 cubes of dish soap and some mixed herbs, thyme, rosemary, and other mixed herbs. Just mixing through. Adding water, about 3 cups of water. Three cups of water, and I'm going to simmer for about 2 hours. Simmer for about 2 hours. Just on gentle simmer on the stove for 2 hours. Reduce the heat to low. After 1 hour and a half, I'm going to add potatoes and then mixing them through. And then adding carrot. And then mix them through. Cook for another 30 minutes. I think that was 5 minutes. Yeah. Inside. Are you in yet? Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting that part.